Winter is just around the corner, and if you're planning to conquer the cold, you'll need a vehicle that can handle it all. Today on Glamping Guide, we're counting down the best overlanding vehicles for winter 2025, built to keep you cozy and unstoppable in the harshest conditions. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Glamping Guide for more epic overlanding and adventure tips. Let's hit the trail. Kicking off our list of ultimate winter overlanders is the Atacama 4000, built on the rugged Unimog U4023 chassis. This beast combines compact maneuverability with unmatched luxury. Inside, you'll find everything from a designer kitchen to a cozy living space with an extendable bed and underfloor heating to keep you toasty. And for those off-grid adventures, a 4-panel solar array and 300 amp-hour lithium battery keep all the comforts of home running strong. At number 10 on our list is the beastly Global XRS 7400 Leopard. This luxury 3-axle motorhome by Action Mobil isn't just for looks, it's built for extreme winter overlanding. With a powerful 630 horsepower MAN TGS engine, all-wheel drive, and differential locks on every axle, the Leopard tackles rough terrains like a pro. Inside, enjoy heated leather seats, automatic temperature control, and air suspension for top-notch comfort on any expedition. Number 9. Ico Euro Cargo, a robust choice for winter overlanding. Equipped with a 280 horsepower Iveco Tector engine, full 4x4 traction, and 3 differential lockers, it's engineered to conquer challenging terrains. With a 1,000-liter fuel capacity, a front hydraulic winch, and top-tier amenities like home automation, heated radiators, and a Whirlpool washer-dryer combo, this vehicle is ideal for long winter expeditions. Number 8 on our list is the SLRV Commander 4x4, designed for both comfort and capability in harsh winter conditions. With a spacious 6-meter interior, this RV offers a cozy electric king bed, a large club lounge seating up to 6, and a fully equipped galley kitchen with dual bench tops. At the rear, you'll find an enclosed garage for easy storage of essentials like spare tires, camping gear, and mountain bikes. Plus, the Commander's rear ensuite provides a separate shower, toilet, and vanity, keeping you comfortable and self-sufficient on the road. Number 7 on our list is the Bliss Mobil 6x6, a 7-meter powerhouse designed for true off-road adventures in extreme winter conditions. This flagship model combines comfort and utility with endless storage options, a spacious interior, and a customizable layout. Weighing in at just 5,500 kilograms, it's light enough for most 6x6 trucks, but loaded with luxury features like a 575-liter water tank, a 2.25 kilowatt solar system, and a 20 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack. With an ATV garage, full kitchen, air conditioning, and heating, this vehicle lets you enjoy the wild without compromising on comfort. Position 6 on our list is the impressive Unicat IN72H, built on the robust MAN TGS 26.5406x6 chassis. This powerhouse boasts a 540 horsepower engine paired with a 12-speed Tipmatic gearbox, making it a formidable choice for winter expeditions. With all-wheel drive, differential locks, and adjustable shock absorbers, this vehicle handles rough terrain with ease. Inside, enjoy a spacious cabin with a U-shaped seating area, double bed, and a fully equipped kitchen. With 830 liters of fresh water and advanced heating systems, this vehicle is designed to ensure you stay warm and comfortable no matter where your journey takes you. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the remarkable Unidan Discovery X. Blurring the lines between expedition vehicle and luxury home, the Discovery X is engineered for those who demand more from their adventures. Crafted with high-quality materials, it features 59mm composite panels for exceptional thermal insulation, ensuring a comfortable experience even in harsh climates. With a fully equipped kitchen, queen-size bed, enclosed bathroom, and even a washing machine, this vehicle is designed for comfort. Powered by 600 amp-hours of lithium batteries and 1,300 watts of solar energy, you'll have the independence you need for remote travel. Perfectly paired with Mercedes-Benz Arocs or Z-Tros, the Discovery X is ready for any journey you can dream up. At number 4 on our list is the exceptional Freedom Mog 2.0. This rugged yet refined camper body is constructed entirely from 100% aluminum, ensuring both durability and lightweight performance. Inside, you'll find beautifully finished natural pine, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Equipped with a 110-liter isotherm fridge, fully functional kitchen, and sleeping space for 4, it's perfect for family adventures. With a gross vehicle weight of just 5.3 tons, you'll enjoy a smooth ride on highways and off-road alike. Plus, with features like front and rear differential locks, a Dometic air conditioning system, and 400 watts of solar panels, this This vehicle is built for adventure. Ranked as the third vehicle on our list is the versatile Crawler OTAG 830, designed to elevate your expedition experience. This caravan transforms long trips into luxurious adventures, starting with its well-appointed L-shaped kitchen, featuring all the amenities you'd expect at home. Enjoy stunning views through the glazed panel in the seating area, while the dedicated desk can serve as an office or be converted into a bunk bed. The luxurious bathroom includes a shower cabin and both cassette and electric toilets, and the spacious master bedroom at the rear offers ample storage. With a 500-liter water tank, the OTAG 830 ensures hot water and heating for your winter adventures. Number 2 on our list is the impressive Global Expedition Vehicles Patagonia. Built on robust medium-duty chassis from top brands like Kenworth and Mercedes, it offers lengths ranging from 17 to 27 feet, perfect for any expedition. Inside, enjoy a wealth of amenities, including dual-paned windows for enhanced comfort, an induction cooktop, and a queen-size bed, with options for a bunk bed. The wet bath can be upgraded to a dry bath for added convenience. Designed for adventure, the Patagonia features rugged, high-visibility exteriors and thick tires, with custom options available, including an aluminum roof storage box. Starting at $700,000, this vehicle blends luxury with capability, ensuring you're equipped for winter journeys like no other. If you love exploring the great outdoors and want to stay in the loop on all our top picks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Let's dive into our number 1 pick. Taking the top spot on our list is the extraordinary Storyteller GXV Epic. This beast boasts an impressive 200-gallon aluminum diesel tank, allowing for an astounding 1,800 miles of adventure before you need to refuel. Built on the exclusive Kenworth chassis, the Epic features a robust 4-wheel drive system, complete with front and rear locking differentials, king shocks, and rugged 44-inch Goodyear tires for unmatched traction. Powering your journey is a formidable energy system, including 18 kilowatt-hours from Mastervolt batteries, ample solar, and a backup generator, ensuring you'll never run out of juice. Plus, it comes with a built-in washer and dryer for ultimate convenience. Its 4-season design, with durable bedliner exterior paint and thoughtfully crafted cabinetry, mitigates road noise, while the spacious interior offers thoughtful storage solutions. Thanks for watching our best overlanding vehicles for winter 2025. If you found your dream ride, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more adventure gear tips. Share your favorite overlander in the comments. Until next time, stay adventurous.